welcome back to our channel. And well, today Benji is here with us. He's so cute. For today's video, we're going to do a beautiful and popular hairstyle for Halloween. It is a pumpkin, and I'm going to show you two different options. We're going to do a crown and another one using a bun maker. Let's get started. For the first option, split the hair in half on the top. Now we're going to do another division almost from the crown to the neck, passing behind the ear. And do another division on the other side from the crown to the ear. We're going to hold the remaining hair, and we're going to start on this side by picking up a small piece of hair. In here, we're going to split it into 3 equal pieces, and now we're going to do a Dutch braid, cross the bottom strand under the middle, and now the top section under the middle. We're going to cross the outside strands once more, and now we're going to add hair from the front. Now cross this strand under the middle without adding hair, and again add a small piece of hair from the front to the braid. Now cross the strands one more time, and we're going to add a small piece of hair in here. Cross the strands under the middle one, and we're going to keep adding the hair just from the front. Cross the strands and keep doing the same steps over and over again until you are on the other side. Okay, in here we almost reached the ear. I'm going to let down the hair, and now we're going to keep braiding. I'm adding hair from the front, cross the strands, add hair one more time from the front, and again cross the strands under the middle. In here, I'm going to add another piece of hair, and now I'm going to start adding hair from the other section as well. Now we're going to add hair from the bottom, cross the strands, and add hair from the top as well. Keep doing the same thing until we add the remaining hair, doing the braid all around the head. When we are here, we're going to keep doing a regular braid until we reach the end of the hair and hold it with an elastic. When we are ready, we're going to bring the braid to the top and hold it with some bobby pins as well. I'm going to hide the end of the braid, passing it to the other side, and hold it with more bobby pins. Use as many as you need. For the next step, we're going to decorate the hairstyle with a piece of ribbon, and you can use a plastic needle or a topsy tail. So we're going to pass the ribbon to the other side, then skip 1 or 2 stitches of the braid and pass the needle again to the other side. We're going to fix the ribbon every time so it won't be twisted. Again, skip 1 or 2 stitches of the braid, pass the needle to the other side, and fix the ribbon. From here, we're going to keep doing the same thing all around the crown. Okay, here we almost finished, so I'm going to pass the ribbon where we started. I'm going to do a double knot to hold it very well. Cut out the remaining ribbon, and now I'm going to hide the ends, holding it with bobby pins just underneath the braid. Perfect. To finish, I did a bow with a green ribbon, and we're going to pin it in place just in here. So here we have this beautiful crown that looks like a pumpkin. For the second option, we're going to comb the hair, bring it back, and we're going to hold it into a high ponytail. Now we're going to use a bun maker, pass the hair through the loop, and hold it with some bobby pins. Split the hair in half, and we're going to cover all the bun maker. You can use a comb so the hair will be smooth. And now put around 1 or 2 elastics to hold very well everything. With the remaining hair, we're going to start wrapping it up and hold it with bobby pins. Every time, twist the hair and hold it with bobby pins so it will be firm. To do the pumpkin, I'm going to use a small piece of ribbon. We're going to use a bobby pin just in the middle of the ribbon and pin it in place in the middle of the band. Now we're going to hold each one of the ends using a bobby pin as well. We can hide the ribbon every time, or we can wait to do everything and hide the ends at the end. Grab another piece of ribbon, pin it in place just in the middle of the band, and hold each one of the ends. Okay, I think I need one more piece of ribbon. Hold it from the middle and from the other side as well. Perfect. Now we can hide the ends of the ribbon underneath the bun, and if you need, use bobby pins to hold it. I will use another piece of ribbon, wrap the bun with it, and I'm going to do a bow. To finish, I'm going to do another bow with a piece of green ribbon. I'm going to put a bobby pin in here and pin it in place just in the middle of the bun. And here we have another beautiful option to do a pumpkin. Okay guys, hope you like this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and of course we will appreciate so much if you could share this video with all your friends. See you on the next one. Bye!
Bye!